Hi guys, welcome to the channel.
There's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Sorry for this coarse voice. I'm moving. Yes, and I found a place and do a tour inside my room. I have to pack. Yes. So let's get right into it. So I tackled the wardrobe first. I wanted to pack everything from my wardrobe. With these things, I'm not going to separate them. I'm just going to put them in these bags. Now I'm done with the clothes. I'm going to tackle the shoes. So I'm going to pack it into this bag. Then I'm putting all my wigs inside, plus the bag. This is the following day. I proceeded to tackle my cosmetic table. I just packed everything into that huge bag. Then I brought down my wardrobe. This is the main reason why I don't want that heavy wood wardrobe. I just like to dismantle my wardrobe and then fix it whenever I want to. Hi guys, let's continue packing now. I want to tackle the kitchen. I'm going to pack them into this. Am I the only one who likes keeping things and their boxes around so that I'll be able to pack them when I'm ready? So this is the frying pan. This is the other one. Oh, I never saw this one is deeper than this one. Oh, okay. You just slide it in and it's covered. And you're done. It makes packing very easy. Then I proceeded to pack my air fryer, then my books. Everything was packed on this day with the exception of my bed. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.